think it might be Illinois boy, Nora 73225, BN 73225. Correction, it's going to be Connecticut.
733.
D10 4 City on 1037. 40 westbound, 247, speed 110.
Direct.
5.
Go ahead, D5. It's going to be a silver in color PT Cruiser.
19, I'm at the 235, just letting you know.
10-4. We're just up to 247.
247. Watch your speed.
He just about wiped out. He just about rear-ended one.
Watch your.
We're back westbound. He just 1038.
CFS comments in.
Hands! Show me your hands! Driver, show me your hands! Hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Open your driver door!
PA, what's your 20?
Driver, show me your hands! Hands! Show me your hands!
Overseas there, Cameron 247.
Working now.
Give me your hands!
See me on here. See me on here. Just come kill me and done, man. Give up.
Hands! Show me your hands!
I'm unable to see anything.
Get on your knees!
See me on.
Get down on your knees!
See me on the knees, yeah.
Face down now!
Yeah, 1050.
1051 at gunpoint. I got a vehicle on the 247 that he rear-ended.
No sense I sit up in a man.
Jimmy! Get on the ground! Face down!
Yeah, wrecked out.
No sense I sit up in a man.
10-4, he wrecked out. Entrance ramp at the 247. Westbound.
No sense I sit up in a man.
D10 4 6. You're going to start me at 1011 as well. Hands out! Put your hands out!
Put me hands out. Tell me what me. I'm not.
He is 1015.
Put your hands out!
Hands up. Just come get me, the man. Just come get me like we want, the man. And this I want, man. Bumbo clap, man. And this I want, man. And this I want, dog. They're going like, you know, just when I talk to the lady, the speed in front of me, and do all of this. Just come get me, the man. Come, the man. Come, the man, it's a set-up, man. Come get me, man. We tell you, bumbo clap, man. It's a set-up, man. The lady just start go 100. And you just pull over a lady a while ago.
Radio issues. Is he 15?
You just pull over a lady. You just pull over a lady. 100 the lady start going and me you want.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Both hands. Both hands.
See the both hands. My wallet is on my hand.
Both hands.
I'll take my wallet.
If you move, I will tase you. Do you understand me?
Me not gonna move.
Do you understand?
You already set me up. Me give up. Bumbuckler, me give up. There's no way out for me, there's no way for me. Me bumbuckler give up. So set up this. Set up. Hold my wallet. Take my wallet out of me and my phone in my car too.
Shut up.
Yeah, it's a setup. Because all they have to do is just make me go on, because guess what? A lady just when I do 100. 100 the lady when I do. 100. And you don't do nothing for a lady. Nothing. And a 100 the lady we set up me with.
Who you run for?
Because me know it's a set up. Me tired, bro. Tired, bro. Nah, do not follow, bro. Me
Get
so
up.
tired, bro.
Get up.
Tired of fuck, bro. Tired of fuck, bro. You see them thing every time, bro. Every time I see them thing. Every time. Me nah nothing in my pocket, officer. Me nah nothing. Nothing for me. Nothing. Nothing me nah for me. Nothing. Nothing. But I'm nothing. So tired, bro.
10 to 8.
We gotta stand up now. We gotta
Need
stand up
somebody
now.
to get the information on that vehicle right there on the X ramp for 247. He hit
We
that
gotta
car.
stand up now. Hey, we gotta stand up. Hey, officer.
Make sure they're all right. Shut up. Nobody talking to you.
Yeah, of course, the other out with a silver.
So tired, man. Me tired, man. Bumbuckler. Tired, man. Just shot me in the head, no, man.
Shut up.
Just shot me in the head, no, man.
Ain't nobody talking to you.
The lady where I pull over just start go 100.
64530.
Me know no, man. Me know no, man. Tell me no says I set up, man. No, man. No says I set up, no, man. Me know, man. All you have to do is just make me go on, man.
Hold on, man.
No, man. Where are you? Where are you right now? Hey, where are you? Where are you, officer?
What?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
I'm locking your cuffs so you can't move.
Oh.
Shut up talking to me.
So me can't stand up now?
No, you can stay right there.
But me not nothing, me not do nothing.
Yeah.
Me not go do nothing.
No, you're not doing nothing. You can stay right there.
That's a word to me. Mother, bro, you're so fucking unfair, bro. Could have just left me, you know, bro. You and the woman planned this, you know, bro. From there, me I go through all of this bumbuckler. Bumbuckler. Like, you know, be hard for me, dog. Just shot me in the head.
Shut up.
Just shot me in the head
Shut
and
up.
get this over with, man.
10 to 19.
Tired, you know, man. Me tired of this, you know, man.
Yeah, I'm not pulling up on
Same
you.
thing everywhere, you know, man.
10 twice. I need to stick him in the back of
Everywhere
your
is
car.
the same thing, you know, man.
I can't copy anything you're saying. I'll be there in a minute, though.
Everywhere I see him thing. Could I just left me make me go on, man? See one more cut there, see one more cut there. Me can't stand up now.
No.
4-6, not good.
But you still have me bend over. I'm tired of bumbuckler, bro. I
Shut
just
up.
don't even know, bro. I'm tired of this to pussy clock, bro. It's just always the same thing, yo. Same thing, yo. You just set me up and do this for what?
Just shut up.
Set me up and do this for. Man, like you don't know, say it's a setup, bro. For what?
Get in there and sit down.
Let me get in and sit down. I'm gonna get in and sit down.
Huh? Yeah, he clipped the passenger side of them back on the on-ramp. He lost it. He went behind the sign right here. He tried to get back on the interstate.
Did he pull over and then just...
Yeah, he pulled over. When I started walking up to the car, he took off. I haven't cleared the car yet. How are you? I'm with you.
Check your back.
I don't see anything. I smell smoke though. That's just airbags, I think.
Is that back gate?
I see clothes.
Right forward. It looks like the seat's down.
Yeah, seats down. Looks like he's got bags back there. A speaker.
Standard or is it?
No, it's automatic. I don't know what on his bag's got. He had these in his hand. I think he's got. He's got glasses right here somewhere too. I thought.
Yeah, right there.
Where at?
Right here. Right there in front.
I ain't got no lens in them.
Okay.